connect the ELD 2.0 device to the truck's port, and the device will automatically power on. Once the device powers on successfully, the red light will start flashing. When entering driving mode, a flashing green light means the vehicle communication is normal. A flashing yellow light means the network and GPS are connected. A solid yellow light means the network or GPS connection is not yet complete. A flashing blue light means data is being uploaded to the cloud. If any of the lights are flashing, it indicates data is being transmitted. After the engine is turned off and no broadcast information is received from the vehicle computer, the device will automatically enter sleep mode after about 1 minute, and all indicator lights will turn off.
Double press the button on the right side to force restart the device. Once the device powers on successfully, the red light will start flashing. After the red light goes off, the green, yellow, and blue lights will flash one after another, indicating that the device is operating normally. The device won't check for updates while driving. Before entering sleep mode at the end of each drive, the device checks whether any updates are needed. A steady yellow light indicates that the update is complete. After the update, the device enters sleep mode.